Let's create a 4th of July theme spread in my catch-all planner. Hello everyone and welcome back to Cantity Plans. This is Carmen. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic student layout happy planner that I use as my catch-all planner for the week of June 30th through July 6th. And I'm going to be using stickers from the Designer Chameleon USA Summer sticker set. This is the deco sheet here. Love all the red, white, and blue. This is the red, white, and blue paint pops sticker sheet and the red, white, and blue box pops. Along with this, I'm going to be using some Hobby Lobby stickers that I had in my stash. These are some fireworks with some flag inspired shapes like hearts and stars and rectangles and all of the red, white, and blue vibes. 4th of July is on Friday, so we're going to make sure to put some deco down on that. And before I start with this, I did also pull out my Mojo Jojo Plan Summer Boxes sticker book because I have some additional red, holographic, and blue stickers in here too if I need them. All right, so let me see. I'm going to set these aside. I'm going to try to do my functionals first. Yeah. Okay, so we have this, but I think I'm going to need some additional boxes, I think. I know for sure I want to put this long box on Sunday, so we're going to start with that. Let's put this down right about here. Okay. All right. So long box there. We have all these shapes, but I'm gonna pull out these because inside of these smaller shapes, I wanted to put some of these inside. So let's do the heart, maybe here in the red. Actually, we can do this star in here and then a heart in the blue circle. That way I have the different colors. And then a star. Do I have another star? Yeah, a star. Actually, this one should have gone like this, I think. Let me get my tweezers. I'm going to flip that star around. Let me see. Oh no, it's coming up. Okay. Hopefully I can still use this. There we go. All right. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do, to kind of put some deco in here. I didn't want to write in these shapes, only in these. So with that, we'll leave those like this. And I have to see about boxes. I'm gonna bring in some from here, I think. It's gotta be this color though. Yeah, I'm gonna use these two reds I have. Do this one here. And then the other one, let me close this. The other one right about here. And then we can do this blue one right about here. Trying to figure out where exactly this would go. Okay. This is a little smaller than the other boxes too. There we go. Not bad. And this week is a recycle week, so I need 2 of these. And let me see if I have any blue ones. See, this is not the same blue though as that. Let me see if I have any. Yeah, this blue and this blue, they're about the same, I think. So I'm gonna have to just use this one. Okay. So we'll do the reds for trash day, and the blue one will be for recycle. So let's do this and this. Oops. All right, looks good. And we still have these two to work with. So red, blue, red, blue. So I need a blue one for over there. Okay. Actually, we have this one right here. Okay. So let's do, I'm gonna do a blue, blue, and then a red and blue here. How about that? I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, let me do a blue one here. I'm gonna take another blue one out. Let's see here. Yeah, we'll take this one. And then this one will go up here on Saturday, right about here. I'm gonna make sure it doesn't have a bubble. Okay, there we go. Okay, I like that. And then we're going to do these two boxes on the 4th of July. Okay. We'll do one here, and we'll do one here. Okay. And these are gonna be deco, so I think we're done with the functionals there. I do want to come over here to the sidebar. I am gonna use some of these stars that are here. So we're gonna take a red. I do have white, and blue. And then I wonder if yeah, I do have another white. I wasn't sure if I had another white, but I do. Red and then white. Right in here. Love it. So here I was thinking of taking some of these, putting them here. So this is what my idea is. Cut this halfway about right here. Okay, and I'm gonna kind of cut this a little bit because that's not the shape I was going for. Okay, we can do like this. And like that, or we can do it like this. Yeah, I think maybe like this would be best. And then we're gonna take these, I think, the circles probably. Let me see, something like that. We do here. We still want this to show. Okay, so we got that. Let me get my tweezers. And like that. Okay. We can do like this. And then over here, we obviously want to use our flag right in here. Okay, and then one of these USAs right about here. And of course at the bottom we gotta put some kind of like firework, right? wouldn't be 4th of July without fireworks. So let's do one of these. Okay, like that. Okay, love it. I'm going to use the designer chameleon stickers because these were specific ones I wanted to use. So we're going to focus on these now. Okay, let's do lawn chair and the flip-flops. Could be like this. I don't know. Maybe something like that. And then we can do that kite there. This kite. Going on over here like this. Would love to use this strand somewhere. I think here would be good. Or could I use this strand up there, I guess? I think would be a good spot. Okay, let's try it. Ooh, almost a good spot. Wonder if there's something I can do there, like kind of cut part of the sticker a little bit, like this part right up here. Okay, let me see what I can do. There it is. I've got that, and then these shades are so cool. Okay, I got that. And then we can cut this, instead of going across, it could go down. So we got the U, and then the A, S, okay. Now let's put it going down like this, U, S, oops, US, or is it this other way? Yeah, I think it was this other way, I think. Yeah. US, A, and now we have it going vertically, which is fun. It's different, like that. Either gonna try to bring this or this into it. I'm gonna bring these into it somewhere. Okay, so over here we don't have too much going on. So we can do one of these here, and we can do one of these down here, right in here like this. Okay, so I'm thinking we can use, because we have a lot of blue right here, we can use some of this. Or actually, let me get my washi cutter. Use this, and we're gonna put this right about here. Okay, so we got that. And here comes this one, and we'll do it just like this as well. Okay. We've got this, and we've got that. Probably put this down here too, but now we'll leave it out. We're gonna come back and put some stars in here, but now let me move over here and see if we can do or should do anything over here. I'm gonna white that out because I don't have something I'm gonna track there. And I can use this as a decorative moment. Okay. Let's do this down here. Oh, we're gonna do it like this. Okay. And then in there, we'll put the designer chameleon logo. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna keep this and this. This one's done. Now we're gonna come back and do some finishing touches. We're gonna add some stars here and there. I have like some bursting stars here that I wanted to use. So we're gonna take those. This one's gonna go here. Okay. And this one is gonna go there like that. And a star here. And a one behind it. There we go. And we have these regular stars that we can put in places. Over here, some shooting stars right in here. A regular star. We can do another shooting star here. And I can put these down at the bottom here. It looks a little empty. And take a look at what I've got here. I almost feel like something's missing right here. So I'm going to come back to this and maybe grab this strand of blue and have it coming out from there. Okay, about here. I'm putting it right in there. I'm gonna move this one if I can. Okay, I'm gonna try to put this one up here like this. And we're gonna try to put a little more blue here. I don't know. Or do we put red? Let me see, I do have a piece of red that I can use there. Do we wanna put red? We could. And we can do a little blue. No, I think that's good. All right, actually, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. This spread is ready for a week of catch-all planning on the week of 4th of July. Happy Independence Day to everyone here in the USA. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please click the like, subscribe, and notification button. That way you may be notified of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for your support, and I can't wait to see you guys all in the next one. Bye!